What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be discussing the AWS Snow Family and how to order a Snow Family device. So you can see on the AWS documentation website, and it just gives you the breakdown of the three physical device offerings that AWS offers for the Snow family. So the first one is the Snowcone, which is the smallest one of the Snow family. You can do a regular Snowcone with a regular HD drive or SSD drive. And then the next item that they, or the next device that they have available is the Snowball, which is one that's slightly bigger. This is for typically for data migration and edge computing, and it comes in two device options: compute optimized and storage optimized. Um, the storage optimized provides 40 CPUs and a compute capacity with 80 terabytes of storage. So a couple different options there, and it says Snowball has three pricing elements to consider: usage, device type, and terms of use. Obviously, you can go read up on this yourself. And the final physical device that they offer is the Snowmobile, which is the largest one. And the Snowmobile can move up to 100 petabytes of data in a 45-foot long ruggedized shipping container, and is ideal for multi PB or exabyte migrations. So this would be if you were actually moving or if you were migrating from a physical data center to putting all your data in AWS's cloud. So I'll leave a link to this in the description, and also a link to the pricing. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump over to the console. So I'm here in the console, and from here, to get to the Snow family offering, just from the console, you can just search for Snow family, and this option comes up. Okay, so and obviously you can go ahead and read about all of these things. It has a getting started guide, some customer success stories, and a YouTube video about just getting up to speed on exactly what Snowball or the Snow family is. I'm sorry. So next, in order to order a device, you have to do what they call create a job, and I'm just gonna do I'm gonna create a job, KP data migration job. Okay, and then so they offer three different job types, and from here you can just kind of click on each one to get more information. So this is probably one of the most used job types, is the import or the ingress to AWS S3. The opposite of that would be the egress or the export of data from your S3 bucket already. And then finally, you can do local compute and storage only as a third option. So just for this proof of concept, I'm just going to do import into Amazon S3. Okay, and then from here, I can select my Snow device. So it's got a note up here: due to high demand for Snowcone, your order will be sent to you as soon as a device is available. So there's tons of people that are using this service. So we got Snowcone, Snowcone SSD, Snowball. So I'm just use the Snowcone. Okay, let's see. Snowcone do not ship the power supply or Ethernet cable. All right, I'm just saying I'm fine with providing my own power supply and Ethernet cable. Select my data transfer method, which is only the NFS based data transfer. And then it's giving me an option to use your device as a mobile data center while loading a Amazon image to it. So right now we just take the default, which is the Linux 2 for Snow Family. So have that selected. Next, you would basically select what S3 bucket you want to upload your data to. So I'm just going to use one of the existing buckets that I have out here. I have this Keidrick demo bucket. So I'm going to select that guy. And then just do next from here. Okay. Let's see, what do we have here? AWS IT Greengrass for Snow, support experience slice of Greengrass, validated AIM. I think I'm going to leave that unchecked for now. Now, this is a good, so Snowcone Wireless, you can connect to your wireless network. So we do want to have wireless enabled for my device. And then this option down here, manage the device remotely with OS Ops Hub or Snowball client. So this would be you installing a piece of software to basically manage the device once it's on your network. So from here, I'm just hit next, and I'm going to default to the encryption that's here. Choose access type service. I already have shipping information in here, so I'm going to use that. If I wanted to add a new address, it gives you a whole different section here to just go in and fill out your address. But I'm just using recently entered address. And then from here, I can select my shipping, either 1 day or 2 day shipping. And finally, it's saying, where do you want to receive notifications of the status of your job? So either I can create a new SNS topic, or I can use an existing topic. So I'm just using an existing topic here, and basically as your data gets uploaded into AWS, this topic will send you a notification that says, hey, you are in whatever status or stage of your transfer process. So from here, we'll just do next. Okay, and then it's just saying, hey, make sure you review this, and this is what you want to order before you hit submit. So that's my name, job type imported to S3. This is the device that I wanted, which was the Snowcone. This is the bucket that I want the data to be stored in once it's uploaded. And then it's got my AIM, which was the default that we used. And so we did not enable IoT for Greengrass. And then my permissions, so it's just using it created an IAM role just for this this update or update process. And then my encryption, so I also got my shipping information, 1 day shipping, and my SNS topic. So basically I will be sent a email to my email address on file here, and this is the topic that it will use. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple to get this thing ordered. If I just hit create job, it will send that physical device to my address here, and I can start copying my data over to it and then ship it back to AWS. At that point, they'll start uploading my data into my S3 bucket that I mentioned here. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.